I should be done with the Dinghy Chaps like days ago. There's part of it. There's part of it. There's more of it back there. Look, I should have been done. And I'm so frustrated right now with my Cell-Rite sewing machine. Part of it's my own fault because, one, I ran out of binding material. So then I was going to order some, but then it wasn't going to get here until the first part of March. So, and we won't be here. So I went to Marine Connections and they had some. Thank God. Got some binding. Got back, was chugging along, ran out of thread. I got so desperate. I went to Marine Connections, bought what they had. It's not exactly what I had before. It's not the right color. It's not as thick as the rest. Anyway, at one point I got so desperate that I whipped out some white thread to sew on this gray and orange material. It was so awful that, anyway, that's how I'm using this stuff from Marine Connections. It's not the right color, but it looks better than white. Then the needle wasn't picking up the thread, and there's this bar that you can adjust, but the grub screws there's two grub screws in there, and one of them was so stripped out that you couldn't get it out. Anyway, so I ordered some new ones, but again, they're not coming until after the 1st of March. So we went down to Ace Hardware and found some of the same ones. Came back, got that part fixed. But then, because we had messed with that so much, the whole thing just seemed to be out of line. So Stephen realigned the whole thing. Then I'm chugging along. I got the thinner thread that looks better to work. I did a deep clean on it. Anyway, Steven's in there asking for stuff, and I don't have it in me to do it. Anyway, what's he looking for?
Zip ties.
You're just gonna have to look. Like, just start moving stuff around till you find them. Anyway, this little plastic part just broke. See this thing right here? There should be one right there too. But it broke today. It cracked like on the inside, going like in that way. I'm this close to having the Dinghy Chaps, and I have one circle that I can't sew a circle, so it's like a stop sign shape. Anyway, one outside patch to put on a circle. I have another patch that I'm almost done putting on. I just need to sew one side of it. Then I need to go and put binding all the way around, or I have the main part and this last section to sew together, and then I need to put binding all the way around it, and I need to put the Velcro all around it. That's it, and then I would be done. That's a day's, that can all be done in one day. But I can't keep the machine operational. It's like constantly those grub screws were not working, and so Stephen would come and realign it and tighten it back up, and then it would get out of the needle would raise up too high. That's why we bought the new grub screws. But now this plastic part is broken. There's no way to repair a piece of plastic besides replace it, and the replacement won't get here until after we leave. I haven't even looked to see how much it would cost because I'm so annoyed. And it makes my back hurt really bad to sew. What you looking for? Comb. I've got this. It'll work just as good. Tell your brother and sister we're going to Robert and Crystal's friend's boat, and so I need them to get dressed too.
Okay.
Yeah. If you see that green bottle up there, if you put a little squirt of that out and rub it all in your hair to make it easier to comb. Anyway, can y'all tell I'm just so annoyed. Wait, what?
I melted 2 metal bars on either side, and then I melted some plastic on top, some zip ties. So that should hold it in place.
You can fix anything.
No, I don't.
We'll see if it works. Hang on. I'm so over this dang machine. Okay.
When do we go to the?
No. Okay. I have so much tea stuff everywhere. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this works. I should have known you'd fix it. You can fix anything.